Well, I tell you, I was bound and determined to get this done. And this will be good enough for now until the spring. And then I'll figure out the contour of exactly how I want all this, where I want to put the rocks. All those rocks were dug out from underneath here. I'm glad I did that before the winter. It's encouraging the roots to grow down there. And there was a big holly bush right here, and I had to dig that out in between all the other things. All that holly stuff is kicking my butt. You never want to put this, you never want to get this stuff right here. This stuff, it's prickly, it gets little berries, it's called holly, and then it starts taking over. Little roots will grow, and there was some stuff over there. I tore that out, and every time I tear it out, it comes back. And so I had to be as careful as I could here. See, there's still some growing around the tree. This stuff here, I'm just gonna have to snip off whenever it shows up and stuff. And hopefully I got it down low enough here. And as I covered all this stuff up, I tried to be careful of the drip irrigation pieces that I did, okay, along there. And I expect I'll have to be real careful when I go through this later on, because I'm gonna, you see here, there's one there, there's one there, there's one there, there's a couple over there, there's a couple over there after I tore out all the junipers. There's another one right there, there's a couple more down in over there. And so once we decide what to plant here, then we'll have to plant it, and then I'm gonna have to go around to every single bubbler, make sure the bubblers are working, reconfigure the bubblers for the new plant locations, make sure nothing's plugged up and all that kind of stuff. That's gonna take forever and a day right there, but I'm bound and determined to do it. Here's one here I just capped off because the plant had died. And see, I'm gonna have to do this whole thing, deciding which plants still need to be torn out, which plants need to stay. See, this one here, Momi will probably want that one ripped out, and I'm guessing she's gonna want that one ripped out, and maybe this one, and all that stuff over there. That big old thing over there has grown too big, and the snow got it, and it broke all the branches off. We used to get groundhogs up around the corner here, coming over here to munch on the yellow flowers here in the springtime. But you see, if you don't keep this groomed properly, the snow lands on here, breaks the arm. See how this arm is broken? This one's broken, that one's broken. This used to be one full piece. Now there's a big old concaved area there. My thought is I'm going to have to probably tear half of this out, 3/4 of it out, maybe the entire thing. We'll see. And then trim it, and maybe plant another one. Who knows? But anyways, first and foremost with this was this thing here, and I had to do all that. Why did I have to do that anyways? Well, I dug that out because the sprinkler line, that's right, I was digging over there, and I had hit the main sprinkler pipe. And so once I started doing that and getting involved with it, I thought I might as well go the extra mile and tear all that stuff out, rearrange all the roots through here to keep this going. See how it's already leaning still, but it's not going to lean anymore because I got that big rock there, see? and I'll have to trim this a little bit later on down the road and stuff. This is going to settle down. I made it a little bit high. It'll settle down. I've got some extra dirt here. I can throw that up there. And I like working in the garden. I like working with my hands and stuff. I'm going to enjoy getting this all clean, getting it all ready in the spring. But the main thing is I wanted to get that pipe fixed. I wanted to get it rerouted. I wanted to get the roots down where they were supposed to be, and I've achieved all that. And I didn't have to pay somebody to do it. If I ended up having to pay a gardener, landscape guy, or the weekly gardener that comes over here, if I had to pay him to do all the stuff that I just did, oh, $750 or $1,000, no joke. And this is the type of stuff you can do yourself. Do it yourself. Save your money. You know, it's not that hard working with drip irrigation and the tubes and all that kind of stuff. And here's my extra parts here. I should take those into the house and save those. I'm not going to leave those out here. Okay. And I've achieved what I was meant to achieve today and for the last couple of days. Okay, well, that's all I got for this time. Woo! But I'll be back with more videos, and I know you like watching my videos. Hopefully you like watching my videos. I always have something to show you, something to save you money around. Yeah, hopefully you enjoy my videos on saving money around the house, because that's what my channel is all about.